Redefining boundaries in the tech world. The Lenovo Yoga Book 9i isn't just another laptop, it's a glimpse into the future of dual-screen computing. Dive in to discover whether this revolutionary device is a game-changer or just a passing trend. The Lenovo Yoga Book 9i is undeniably a head-turner. Its design diverges from the traditional laptop look we've grown accustomed to, primarily because it proudly flaunts not one, but two OLED touchscreens, making the absence of a traditional keyboard quite conspicuous. This innovative approach to the two-in-one device sector compels us to ask several pressing questions about its practicality, its potential audience, and its place in the tech world of today. Specifications, design, and build quality. Retailing at $2,000, the Yoga Book 9i isn't precisely on the affordable side. However, what you get for this price is a meticulously crafted piece of technology. At its core, it boasts two 13-inch OLED touchscreens, beautifully connected by a 360-degree speaker bar hinge. This 13.3-inch device weighs only 3 pounds, making it incredibly ultra-portable. At first glance, it becomes evident that the Yoga Book 9i is geared towards productivity. Yet, its vibrant OLED displays combined with top-notch audio make it an excellent choice for multimedia consumption during leisure times. Internally, Lenovo didn't cut any corners. The device is powered by an Intel Core i7 U-series processor. This choice strikes a crucial balance between offering high-end performance while ensuring decent battery longevity, especially considering the device must support two screens. The Yoga Book's metallic chassis exudes luxury. Its sleek design, coupled with gracefully curved edges, results in a gadget that is not only aesthetically pleasing but also comfortable to hold. The device's all-screen design is a strategic one. It allows for maximized screen real estate, eliminating any wasted space that would traditionally be occupied by a keyboard or touchpad. Touch gestures and usability. The Yoga Book 9i is more than just a pretty face. Lenovo has integrated a suite of touch gestures, crafted specifically to harness the potential of its dual displays. For example, you can cascade a window from the top screen to the bottom with a simple 5-finger touch. If you're in the mood for something more dynamic, a flick gesture effortlessly transfers content between the screens. This intuitive interaction aims to make multitasking smoother than ever. Yet, it's not without its quirks. Transitioning from a physical to a virtual keyboard can be challenging, especially for touch typists. An 8-finger touch brings the virtual keyboard to life, but using it in dynamic environments like during a commute might be a tad challenging. Lenovo has tried to emulate the physical touch sensation with haptic feedback, but it doesn't entirely replicate the experience of a traditional keyboard. Additional features and customizability. Lenovo's innovative approach shines through in the various ways one can employ the dual displays. For professionals who multitask, the ability to hold a video conference on the top screen while jotting down notes on the bottom is a boon. Gamers are not left out either. Lenovo has integrated some games that are optimized for the dual-screen setup, and while we eagerly anticipate the Smart Reader feature, Lenovo has hinted at several more features in the pipeline, ensuring that the Yoga Book 9i continues to evolve. It's clear the Yoga Book 9i isn't tailored for everyone. It seeks to cater to a niche, to those tech enthusiasts and professionals who can visualize its unique design seamlessly integrating into their daily lives. For them, the $2,000 price tag will be a worthy investment. If you're someone who thrives on being at the forefront of technology and loves engaging in conversations about the latest tech trends, this laptop is an excellent choice. Personally, I perceive the Yoga Book 9i as a symbol of innovation in the tech world. It offers the perks of a portable all-in-one desktop without the baggage of carrying additional devices. While it has a few areas that could benefit from refinement, like the on-screen keyboard, its future looks promising, especially as Lenovo continues to support and improve the device. As we wrap up this review, one thing is for sure. The Lenovo Yoga Book 9i challenges conventions and sets the stage for the next wave of tech innovations.